everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tours. Today we're going to be giving you a room tour here at our room at the Homewood Suites Anaheim Resort Convention Center. Homewood Suites is located at 2010 South Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim. It is about a 5-minute walk to the Toy Story parking lot where you can catch a free shuttle to Disneyland, or about a 1-mile walk to the gates of Disneyland. At the time of filming, Homewood Suites is rated number 25 out of 126 hotels in Anaheim on TripAdvisor. We paid for this room out of our own pocket. We're in the 2-queen suite, so the beds are in a different bedroom with a door, which we love. The living area is very spacious. This couch is also a hide-a-bed, and it looks to be a queen-size hide-a-bed. These 2 tables are nesting, so there's lots of table space, and this top table is tall enough if you're sitting on the couch you could eat some food and it would be comfortable. Also, the TV size in this room is very generous, a lot bigger than a lot of the rooms we've stayed in. The AC unit is right here, but it is controlled on the wall. It's very quiet, and we are facing Harbor Boulevard, and so far it's been very, very quiet with traffic noise. This lamp, there's a regular outlet and 2 USBs, and then on the wall behind it, there's an extra outlet that you can use for charging. This room does come with a full kitchen, which we love. It has a full-size refrigerator, a dishwasher, microwave, and 2-burner cooktop. It does come with plates and cookware and utensils and all those things. There's not a ton of those, but there's enough to make do. There's also a drip coffee pot, and in the cabinet here there is a toaster as well. There's also a dining table here, and right by the dining table are 4 outlets for charging. Now we're in the bedroom area, and the 2 lamps here have a regular outlet, a USB-A and a USB-C, and there's also 2 outlets in the middle. I do love that there's another mirror here, a full-length mirror, and it is a little dark here, so I will test it out in the morning and with my makeup and see if it works. In the corner of the room, there is a desk. There's a lamp here, and it has 2 outlets, 2 USBs, and then 3 additional outlets on the wall. Next to that is the Wi-Fi, and you can plug in Ethernet cables into that as well. So this is the AC unit, but it's controlled by the wall by the mirror, and this room is separately controlled from the living room. Up next is the bathroom area, and I do love how much counter space there is here. However, I do think if there were 6 people staying here, it would be a little bit tight. I do like that they have soap and lotion on the wall. It is nice to have pump soap instead of bar soap when washing your hands. Here is the closet. It has the safe, luggage rack, extra bedding, room for hanging clothes, an iron and ironing board. This tub shower combination and toilet area does have a fan, which we love. We always love when the bathrooms have a fan. There is also a hook here for towels or your clothing. And one thing we did want to note is the shower head is very tall. Even for Jim, it was tall. Jim is 6 feet tall. They do have toiletries on the wall here, so they have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. But I did notice there's no light over the shower, and I do feel like it will be somewhat dark in here trying to shave my legs. Because this is a Homewood Suite, it does include a hot breakfast with your stay, and we're looking forward to checking that out tomorrow. Last time we stayed here was during the pandemic, and there was no hot breakfast. It was just a grab and go bag, so this will be a new experience for us. It is offered during our stay, 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. each morning. They do have a Wednesday social, which is 5 to 6:30, only on Wednesdays, and Parking is $40 plus tax per night.